Welcome you all to the lecture 7 of Organon of Medicine.
Aggravation amelioration given in the aphorism number 254. Albert von Haller on proving is given the aphorism number 108 footnote. And where Albert von Haller said every medicine is different, that is given the aphorism 118 footnote. Allopathy is given the aphorism number 22 footnote 37 and 39. Next, allopathic view of disease is given in the aphorism number 13. Allopathic treatment prior in case checking is given in the aphorism number 207. Alternating action of medicine is given in the aphorism number 115. Alternating disease is given in the aphorism number 232. ठीक है, डिफरेंस देखते चलना. Next, ambiguity of symptoms in proving is given the aphorism number 131. Antidote not required in homeopathy is given the aphorism 249 footnote in the 6th edition. Antidote for poisoning, aphorism 67 footnote. Antipathic symptoms, aphorism 67 footnote. Antisoric remedies in succussion, aphorism number 171. Antisoric treatment is given the aphorism number 195, 222, 227, 243 and 284 of 6th edition. Sorry. Antisoric treatment in case of mother in their first pregnancy is given the aphorism number 284 footnote 6th edition. Next, artificial chronic disease, aphorism number 74 to 76. Ascending potencies, aphorism number 286th edition. Avoid to make favorite remedy, that is in the aphorism number 257. Bath of pure water, aphorism number 291, 6th edition. Best prover, aphorism number 141. Building of true materia medica, 143. Case checking in acute cases, aphorism number 82, 99 to 103. Case checking in chronic cases, aphorism number 83 to 98. है ना, 82 में देन 93 से 103 में acute cases है, और बीच के जो 83 to 98 बचे that is in chronic cases. Case checking in case of conjoint malady. So conjoint malady में case checking में aphorism number 92. Cessate effectus cessate causa. It is given in the introduction by James Cross. Next, characteristic symptoms given in the aphorism number 153. Disease of the chronic definition is given the aphorism number 72. Chronic diseases proper all arises from chronic miasm जो बोला गया that is given the aphorism number 78. Classification of diseases is aphorism number 71 to 82. Yes, any of you who can tell me the classification of disease? Complex disease, that is given the aphorism number 40. Then concept of complete symptoms as per location, sensation, modality, aphorism number 86. Diet and regimen is given the aphorism number 259 to 263. Then diet in acute disease is given the 262 and 263. Chronic disease 260 to 261. ओके, पूरा 259 से 263 है. 259 में इन जनरल दिया है, देन इन क्रॉनिक डिजीज 260 एंड 261 है, एक्यूट डिजीज में 262 263 है. तो ऐसे करके टोटल डाइट एंड रेजिमेंट 259 से 263 तक दिया हुआ है. डाइट इन ड्रग प्रूविंग इज गिवन इन द 121.